Talofa and warm Pacific greetings to you all. My name is Eteroa and welcome to Tautai Tech Skills Series, a series where we talk about all topics about tech. Today's episode we'll be talking about deployment methods of cloud computing. If you're now wanting to start delving in a bit deeper into the technical side of cloud computing, one of the concepts that you'll need to understand is deployment models of cloud computing. Think of cloud computing as a way of using computer resources like storage and processing power over the internet instead of just relying on your own computer. Deployment methods in cloud computing are different ways of these resources that are available to our people and also organizations. Public cloud. It's like going to a public library. In a public cloud, the resources are owned and managed by a company that lets anyone use them over the internet. It's like many people sharing the same library, but each person gets their own section and books. You pay for what you use, just like a library. Public clouds are often used for things like running online storage, email services, or running websites. Private cloud. Imagine having your own personal library at home. In a private cloud, the resources are dedicated to a specific organization, like a company or a school. It's like having your own library that only you and your family can use. Private clouds are used when organizations want more control and security over their resources. They can customize the cloud to fit their needs, but also it will help. Hybrid cloud. Let's say you have both a personal library and access to a public library. A hybrid cloud is like using a combination of both. In a hybrid cloud, an organization can use their own resources, like the personal library, and also use resources from the public cloud when needed. It's like having the convenience of a public library when you need more books, and then still having your own personal collection. Organizations use hybrid clouds to balance their own infrastructure with the flexibility and scalability of the public clouds. Multi-cloud. Imagine having a library membership at different libraries.
You like libraries. Why?
In a multi-cloud setup, an organization uses services from multiple cloud providers. It's like having different library memberships so that you can access books from different libraries. Organizations choose different cloud providers for different purposes, like one provider for storage and the other one for running applications. This way, they can take advantage of the strength of each provider and avoid relying for just one. These development models give organizations options to choose the best way to use cloud resources based on their needs like cost, security, and flexibility. Each model offers different levels of control and benefits, and the organizations can mix and match them depending on what works best for them. And that comes to the end of the season of cloud computing. I hope you learned a lot about cloud computing this season, and especially from this episode. If you like this season or this episode, give us a like below. Or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll try our hardest to get back to you. Well, until the next season, look forward to seeing you soon. Tō whāsoi fua, ma ia manuia.